Renegade Industrial boasts a comprehensive range of quality trolley jacks for all your automotive needs. With full steel construction, the lineup is strong and durable. Here we have our Quick Lift 2000 kilogram jack, which is designed for the home workshop and light industrial work. We also offer a unique 1800 kilogram jack, which is perfect for all your low profile vehicles. With an impressive minimum height of 85 millimeters compared to most standard jacks at approximately 135 millimeters, and raising to a max height of 510 millimeters. Our most popular jacks have to be our 2 and 3 ton trolley jacks. Perfect for your standard workshop needs, capable of lifting almost all cars, 4-wheel drives and light commercial vehicles. Regardless of the brand or price, these units have proven reliable over many years. And if you're wanting to treat yourself, just for a few more bucks, you can grab yourself one of these quality 2-ton trolley jacks made from aluminium and steel. They have the same strength and durability, but much lighter and increased mobility, which is ideal for the racetrack and on-site repairs. Most of these models also come with a foam guard around the handle to protect your front bumper. We also offer a heavy-duty 4-ton jack, perfect again for your mechanic and workshop needs for your commercial vehicles. If you're still unsure on which jack is best for your needs, just come on down to your local TradeTools store. Our experienced salespeople always love a chat.